Are you tired of the same old diet tips that never seem to work? What if I told you that you could drink your way to a slimmer, healthier you? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into 5 delicious and healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss that are not just mouth-watering but backed by science. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for our free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting. It will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! Smoothies are a fantastic way to incorporate more fruits and veggies into your diet, but not all smoothies are created equal. While some can pack in sugar and calories, the recipes we're about to share are formulated to help you manage your weight effectively. These aren't your average, everyday smoothie recipes. These are nutrient-packed powerhouses that can help keep you full and reduce cravings. So, let's blend up some magic. 1. The Green Machine. Ingredients: spinach, cucumber, green apple, chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk. Step-by-step instructions. Start by thoroughly washing your spinach, cucumber, and green apple. Chop the cucumber and apple into small pieces. Measure out 1 cup of spinach, half a cucumber, 1 apple, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add all the ingredients to your blender. Pour in 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk for a creamy consistency. Blend on high until smooth. If it's too thick, add a bit more almond milk. Why it works? Researchers have found that ingredients like spinach are low in calories but high in fiber, which is great for weight loss. Chia seeds add omega-3 fatty acids and even more fiber, making this smoothie a filling, nutritious option for any time of the day. 2. Berry Metabolism Booster. Ingredients: mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, Greek yogurt, honey, flax seeds. Step-by-step instructions. Rinse your mixed berries under cold water. Blend berries. Add 1 cup of mixed berries to your blender. Include half a cup of Greek yogurt and a tablespoon of flax seeds for protein and fiber. Add a teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness and blend until smooth. Why it works? Studies have shown that berries improve blood sugar and insulin response, which can be crucial for weight loss. Plus, the protein in Greek yogurt helps in muscle recovery and satiety. 3. Tropical Digestive Delight. Ingredients: pineapple, mango, coconut water, fresh ginger, turmeric. Step-by-step instructions. Prep your pineapple and mango by chopping them into chunks. Peel a small piece of ginger. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. It's not just for flavor. It's packed with anti-inflammatory benefits. Combine all ingredients in a blender with a cup of coconut water for hydration. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Why it works? Pineapple and mango are not only sweet and satisfying. They contain enzymes like bromelain and amylase that aid in digestion and can help reduce bloating. Adding ginger and turmeric, as noted in a study done in 2019, can significantly enhance digestive health and metabolism. 4. Chocolate Peanut Butter Protein Shake. Ingredients: unsweetened cocoa powder, peanut butter, banana, almond milk, hemp seeds. Step-by-step instructions. Peel and slice 1 banana. Into your blender, add the sliced banana, a tablespoon of peanut butter, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a tablespoon of hemp seeds. Add a cup of almond milk for the base. Blend until you achieve a smooth, creamy texture. Why it works? Chocolate and peanut butter might sound indulgent, but when you choose the unsweetened cocoa and natural peanut butter, you get a high-protein, energy-boosting smoothie that's perfect post-workout. 5. Spicy Avocado Wonder. Ingredients: avocado, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, Greek yogurt, honey. Step-by-step instructions. Have and pit 1 avocado, scooping out the flesh. Place the avocado into the blender, adding a pinch of cinnamon and cayenne pepper, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and a teaspoon of honey. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Why it works? Avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber. Adding spices like cayenne pepper, as studies suggest, can boost metabolism and increase fat burning. There you have it. 5 stunning smoothie recipes that are as delicious as they are effective for weight loss. Remember, losing weight doesn't have to be a chore. It can be as enjoyable as having a tasty smoothie. So, try these recipes out, mix things up, and find your favorite blend. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember to claim your free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting in the description and pinned comment below. It will help you on your weight loss journey.